Imagine standing in the African savanna 2 million years ago. No claws, no fangs, no armor, just a strange ape holding a rock. Then suddenly, whoosh! The rock flies through the air and strikes a distant animal with incredible precision. That moment changed human history forever. Humans are the only primates on Earth that can throw objects with deadly speed and shocking accuracy. Chimpanzees are stronger than us. Gorillas are bigger than us. But none of them can throw like humans. So what happened to our bodies that turned us into nature's ultimate throwing machine? Early humans had a serious problem. Compared to other predators, we were kind of pathetic. Lions had teeth. Eagles had talons. Chimpanzees had massive muscles. Humans? We had soft skin and anxiety. To survive, our ancestors needed a way to attack from a distance without getting dangerously close. Throwing became the perfect solution. A rock could injure prey. A spear could kill from far away. And accuracy meant survival. Over millions of years, evolution slowly transformed the human body into a biological catapult. Monkeys and apes can throw objects, technically, but their throws are awkward and inaccurate. A chimpanzee might toss something in anger, but it usually lacks speed, control, and precision. Why? Because primate shoulders evolved mainly for climbing. Their shoulder joints are stable and powerful, perfect for hanging from trees. Human shoulders evolved differently. They became loose, mobile, and incredibly flexible. That flexibility lets humans store elastic energy like a spring and release it in a split second during a throw. The biggest breakthrough happened in the shoulder. Human shoulders can rotate far backward compared to other primates. When a baseball pitcher winds up, the arm twists behind the body like a stretched rubber band. That twist stores massive elastic energy in tendons and muscles. Then, suddenly, snap! The energy explodes forward through the shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers. It's one smooth chain reaction. Scientists call this the kinetic chain, and humans are unbelievably good at it. In fact, professional pitchers can throw baseballs over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than many animals can react. Another major upgrade came from walking on 2 legs. Most primates use their arms for movement. Humans freed their arms completely. Once our ancestors started walking upright, the arms could specialize for entirely new tasks, carrying tools, throwing rocks, launching spears. Our waist also became more flexible. Humans rotate the hips and torso during a throw, generating enormous power. In other words, your whole body participates when you throw. But accurate throwing isn't just about muscles. It's also about prediction. Your brain performs insanely complex calculations every time you throw something. Distance, speed, gravity, wind, timing, all in fractions of a second. Humans evolved exceptional hand-eye coordination and motor control. Our brains became experts at predicting motion trajectories. That's why you can throw a crumpled paper ball into a trash can from across the room and feel oddly proud when it works. Accurate throwing gave humans a massive survival advantage. Early hunters could injure animals from safer distances. Groups could coordinate attacks using rocks and spears. Hunting produced more calories, which helped support larger brains. Larger brains improved cooperation and planning, which improved hunting even more. It became an evolutionary feedback loop. Some scientists believe throwing ability played a major role in turning humans into dominant hunters across the PL. Today, the ancient throwing machine still lives inside us. Baseball pitchers, quarterbacks, cricket bowlers, Olympic javelin throwers. They all use the same evolutionary mechanics developed millions of years ago. In some cases, modern athletes push the human body to its absolute limits. But there's a downside. Human shoulders are incredibly mobile, and that mobility makes them easier to injure. The very feature that made us deadly hunters also made our shoulders fragile. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more stories about the strange biology that made humans possible. And tell us in the comments, what other human abilities should we explore next?